In this video, let's take a look at how we put a title block in a Traverse PC drawing. Title blocks are smart drawing objects, so they get a lot of their data from the survey itself. And I'm going to start by removing the title block that I have here. Traverse PC brought this in because it was part of the template that we use for this drawing. So let's go ahead and delete that. I bring title blocks in through the drawing object library. So I come up here to insert block. You could also do this in the insert menu, insert a block. And then Traverse PC organizes its block into folders. So I'm going to look for a folder called Title Blocks right here. And we supply 3 of them for you. You can easily build your own by just creating a CAD block out of those. So I'm going to bring it in here and drop it right here. And the very first thing I'm going to do is right-click, go to Groups Blocks, and I'm going to tell Traverse PC, convert this to a group. Now the real important thing about converting this to a group is that Traverse PC then allows me to edit the individual objects in the title block. We'll take a look at that here now. So because it's a group, watch what happens here. I'm going to zoom in just a little tighter so you can see this more closely. Because it's a group, I can edit individual objects within it. So as I put the cursor over any object in here, the tooltip tells me that I'm over a particular text item here. Here I'm over another text item. Well, now I can right-click this, go to Properties, and I can see that individual text item. And I want you to notice here that it's a variable. The variables are listed here in the text dialog, and I can see here I've chosen the variable file name. So it goes back to the job information or the survey information, and it brings in the file name for me. And I can simply tell Traverse PC how big I want that to be, what font, that sort of thing. Same way with the scale. So if you look at the scale, right-click that. I see that it scales per inch is the variable that we use there. And again, that's available here in the scale variable list. And the same way with the date, with the job number. And then finally, I can come over here and put my name in. So where it says insert name, I'm going to come in and put my name in. Or you might use initials in your company, however you do that. But I've just gone ahead and updated that block. Now, even as a group, I can just pick this up, move it where I want. So it acts like a block in that respect. But I wanted you to see how smart the title block is, so I never have to think in terms of if I come into this drawing and I want to use 50 feet per inch, that scale updates automatically. If I want to change the job name, or if I resave this file, instead of calling it final, I call it intermediate or preliminary or whatever, that name will be reflected automatically here in this title block. So it just saves me a lot of time using smart drawing objects like this.